Wow.
Hello, it's Mihu here. We finished our remote work on the 20th and this is the morning of the 21st. I prepared some soup for lunch by first cutting up some white radish, which is a very popular vegetable in Japan as well. We eat it all year round, but in winter we like to put it into soup. Some carrots for vitamin. And some napa cabbage to fill me up. Here is my absolute favorite. So I have tried different types of sujuk, but I've never tried this long thin version.
Wow, this is really good.
Guys, look at this weather! It's really winter and Christmas in Bulgaria. That is snow, right? I am not gonna take credit for this one. Sam did the work for this. He was cooking it outside, grilling it on the stove, and they turned out perfectly. What a feast! We have cabbage, meat sarma. What is this called?
This?
Yeah.
Sujuk.
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 Sujuk. Oh, this is also sujuk?
Sujuk.
Okay. So you can have very
This
thin
is
and long
nadenica.
Nadenica.
Nadenica. This is nadenica. This is sujuk.
Sujuk and nadenica.
Sujuk is always dry.
What's the difference between Lukanka and sujuk?
Lukanka, sujuk is more dry than Lukanka.
Okay.
And Lukanka is always...
And then curled?
No.
And then hung at the door?
Rectangular, while sujuk is usually circular.
yeah.
Okay, I
Yeah.
see.
Yeah. Sujuk is circular and Lukanka is so...
Honestly, this was the best feeling, being done with the work for the year and then sitting down to eat with the snow outside. When I sit down to eat, I prefer to not have any TV on or maybe some music, but I prefer talking and, you know, just catching up. This nadenica that Sam cooked was really nice. The skin was crispy, slightly charred, and the inside was very juicy. They were also very aromatic and flavorful. I have to say, Bulgarians really know how to use their spices. Oh.
Because in the they put
Mutual.
you are speaking Japanese.
Hey, you've heard this word. It's a famous.
Take a look at this Christmas tree. Soleil did most of the work and I did the final touches. And here I am making gingerbread. We have no cookie cutter, so we're using a shot glass. In the previous years, I was a bit more creative with creating different shapes, but that is way too time consuming without a cutter, so I didn't do it this year. And right now we're headed to, drumroll please, Plovdiv!
You like the Christmas lights?
Yeah, it's pretty. Sam's best friend Danny came all the way from Sofia only to see us. Initially we were gonna go watch a film, but since it's Christmas, instead we decided to go for a night walk and visit the Plovdiv Christmas market. I was very impressed. They had live music and loads of stalls, and in particular my favorite was these knitted clothes for dogs. They were so adorable. It's only 35 minutes. That's a lot of work.
по-оптимален начин, защото вие се борите заедно с другите играчи и да вземете.
So he made these games apparently. How cool is that? And for some reason, as two Bulgarians, you decided to come to a Bulgarian souvenir
You
shop.
want some icona, some icon, or this for Kia.
I've walked the Plovdiv main street countless times, but this was the first time I spotted this shop. I really wanted chestnuts, but unfortunately they were already out of it for the day.
Нямаш ли? Мога да ви дам ваучер за icecream. И то пак са пари. Значи 20.
So in the end, Danny bought some peanuts. He gave me some and they were really nice. Perfectly roasted and slightly salty. It was the perfect appetizer to have on the go while we looked for a restaurant to have dinner. We were very tempted by this offer. 2 kebabs for 4 leva. That is so cheap. Not only that, I've tried their tuna before and they're really good. Now here we are in Kapana, and this is my favorite area in the city. I love how they get illuminated at night with these warm lights. They've got great cafes and restaurants. My all-time favorite is a restaurant called Pavaj. We're gonna try to get in happy.
For juniors for two.
In the end, we settled on Happy for dinner. I've been eyeing Happy for some time now, but I'd never been. Their menu looks great and lots of fried food, but I see that they have sushi as well, so I'm very curious to see what they taste like. As a Japanese, I'm gonna judge Happy's sushi. Right off the bat, great pictures, and I'm very impressed with the number of options they have. They all kind of look a bit similar though. Like they either have salmon, tuna or chicken in it with avocado and cream cheese. I wouldn't quite count it as Japanese sushi, but I appreciated the creativity. Also, I personally like cream cheese in sushi, so including the atmosphere and all, I enjoyed it. We decided to get Alfredo ice cream for dessert. I always get their raspberry sorbet and chocolate ice cream. These two make the best combo.
Come on.